This is how I pattern traded and lost $500 day trading Euro USD. Why do I say pattern traded? Because obviously there is no high peg news all the way through Thursday. Thursday is the high peg news, and let's go over the whole trade breakdown of how I pattern traded this and how I did not use logic to this. Right? Let's get to it. So if you see the daily time frame, we're obviously, market never took out the Monday race high. I thought it was gonna be a classic expansion week because you could see Monday candle tapped a what? Monday candle tapped a premium key level, which is the key, right? For a weekly expansion candle, for you're looking for a 4-hour discount or premium key level to get tapped to make the high of the day or high of the week or low of the week, right? And that's how you set up your base foundation, right? For the weekly profile. Okay, we have that. Now, how did I still pattern trade it? What is weekly profile required next? A high impact news, which is at 8:30 a.m. or FOMC press conference, right? And you go to the forex calendar. No major news until Thursday. So Monday, although it did touch a premium key level, we're not meant to be trading it until we get more data until Thursday later session. Then eventually we could start off looking for trades. Because if I would have taken this trade, let's just act like this, we took the same trade like this, right? Same trade like this, but on Thursday, right? On Thursday, if we took the same trade on Thursday like this, let's just say, act like this is Thursday, right? This would have been a good loss, right? There would have been a logical reason for this to stop us out because, nothing is 100% win rate. And what else? Then eventually, let's talk about how did I pattern trade this, right? Simply pattern trade, no excuses, right? Let's go over it. As I said, high impact news on Thursday, Monday no trading day, Tuesday no trading day, Wednesday no trading day. Then Thursday you can decide what type of expansion week is, or what type of profiles are going to be for the expansion week, right? Now let's go to the daily profile. What type of daily profile is it today? Today was a London reversal, New York continuation, right? But what happened during Asia session, where today I thought that today should have been a bearish candle because I thought Asia session made the high of the day, which I confusedly, it did not look like, it did not make the high of the day. And I did have a setup for a long position, right? A setup to a long position for a 2RR. I'm gonna go over that as well. And you can see New York session made the low of the day. New York reversal, so London session reversal, New York continuation to the drawn liquidity, which was the day's high. How was it the day's high? Because Asia did not make the high of the day. I don't know how. It did tap a key level of hourly, which was a basket liquidity, but somehow still not a a key level. So let's go over it right here. I think I might have a answer to that, right? But you can see right over here, we had this ERL, right? ERL to IRL, which is not here, but basically it's such a liquidity on the legislation where the market tapped it. It was an hourly time frame. You can see right when market open, agency looked like to me it tapped a key level, which was this basket liquidity. Whoa. What in the fuck? Yeah, excuse me about this. I don't know what the fuck just happened. Yikes. Yeah, I just messed up my whole chart. Let me try to see if I can bring that back. Actually, it's wasting time. Let me just go do what I'm supposed to be doing right here, okay? So you can see right over here, agency did look like it pulls out liquidity, but it did not look like it. But this candle is really small candle. It can't even predict if that's a low or not, right? That is probably not a low because this had a 0% gain. You can see 0.00, no gain on it, right? Well, this one did. So that would probably be a bullish candle because the last candle was bullish, so that might as well be bullish candle, right? And you can see the London session tapped the key level, eventually reversed. This could have been a retracement for us, right? But nope. It's a Lenten reversal, New York continuation. So Lenten reversed. Now New York, which is at 8 a.m. to all the way till 12 a.m., 12 p.m., right? Is basically continuation, right? You can see right over here, we had an entry over here. You see this red line right over there? We had an entry there to the upside to go for this high and this previous day to this, to the fake high of the day, which was right over here. You can see London, New York straight away went for the high of the day, made the high of the day. Now you can see New York straight away went made the high of the day. Now you can see how the market pulled back up and started playing around here a lot, right? And let's go to the lower time frame based out of this 8 a.m. CRT, which this would have been the logic for us to take. It would have been a bullish candle, although the 4-hour CRT is bearish, right? The 4-hour trend is bearish. The 4-hour, structure is bearish. It's still logically, if you're trading today, it would have been a bullish day, instead of a bearish day, because we're overall should we be trading Mondays, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Because one of my main way of predicting my buys is basically out of a weekly profile, right? So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday should have not been trading there for this specific week because no high impact news. But you can see it is an 8 a.m. candle. Market, if you go to the 5-minute time frame, because we're trading a time frame alignment from one hour to 5 minute, right? If you have hourly CRT, going to the 5 minute to look for execution. And you can see right over here, market purged out this low, which wasn't even a low. So this right over here, if you would have taken a trade, would have never hit your TP, which is over here, right? You would have never hit your TP, which is over these two. Your TP would have never been hit. How your TP would have never been hit? There is no legitimate low. It's just the bullish random ass candle, right? Bullish candle, which has no low, right? We're not this right here is not a low, not a low, right? Not a low, right? A low would be bearish, bullish. This is an actual low, so market came back down, purged out the low with this big, thick down close candle. This one went below it, so we're gonna count this as our actual candle. So now, if you would have taken a long trade here, would have been made a profit here, right? Because we pattern traded it. I pattern traded today, right? So this is why I deserve this loss. TP would be right over here. TP1 for a 3RR. TP2 would be for a 3.4RR, right? And yeah, you can see right over here. We pattern traded it. We got stop loss. How do we get stop loss? Because we're not meant to be trading Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, only Thursday and Friday to see where the market profile leads to. Because the days before a high impact news, you should not be trading it, which is this week, Thursday. So Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. I'll keep on repeating this. Sometimes the brain doesn't manufacture it, right? So that will fix it. This is how I lost $500 day trading EURUSD, pattern trading. You can see we had a 4-hour CRT here. But the logic, this is straight away a pattern, right? A logic would be this hourly CRT would be the logic to go here, right? The hourly CRT would be the logic to go here for, right? Hourly took up from this low all the way to this high for a 3.4RR. You would have made money, right? But guess what? We patterned to the downside, so we obviously got cooked, right? So yeah, this is my trade recap. And for this hourly CRT, we do have a fair value gap, so we can't forget that key level, right? Which is more important than the CRT. Key level, without key level, how is multi-case meant to work? That ranges CRT wouldn't work without a key level, right? Has way less chance of working. So we do have this hourly fair value gap as a key level to support this hourly CRT to push the price back up. And somehow Asian session was not the high of the day. This looked like to be not this right over here. This bullish candle. Both of them look to be a bullish candle. That looks like it's not the high. It's not an actual high. So market, you know what I'm saying? He did create this auto block, but this auto block really, he did fill liquidity, but this auto block got disrespected, so that's not longer an auto block, right? And you can see, you probably say like, didn't the market tap into this fair value gap, this possible liquidity over here? I'm pretty sure it's supposed to test the previous day's, candle, but I'm not really sure. I'm not really into this, but that's what I'm here to learn, right? We're here, we paid the cost of price today. What was the lesson of the day? Do not trade the previous days before a high impact news. So tomorrow I'm not going to be trading. I'm just going to be looking at how the market goes tomorrow, so I could follow what my rules say. Do not trade the previous days before a high epic news. For the weekly profile, for the intraday profile, today was a New York London session reversal, New York continuation, for the London reversal, hitting our our goal, which is this fake high, which market really never tapped. Looks like market looks like it was never high of the day, right? So market went up and took the high back out, and it looks like market gonna close right over here. And what else do we learn with this? Do not pattern trade. A good loss regardless. If you're pattern trading, this is a good loss. If you're not pattern trading, this is a horrendous, stupid loss, stupid trade to take. You gotta have logic instead of putting some random ass stuff in the chart. But yeah, this is my trade recap, and this entry would have been right below the discount price, so this would have been a good buying position as well, regardless of this CRT or not, because it's 4 hour CRT. I mean, regardless of that, we were the discount area of this price point, right? So we could have taken this long, and this would have been a counter trend to the overall trend, which is bearish, but a good counter trend, right? Which you know what they're doing. So once I get more advanced into it, and once I get more advanced into weekly profile, trade profile, and all of this, right? And taking counter trades should be a thing for me as well, to my bias. So sometimes in the near future, I'll be back to trading Monday and Tuesday, even when there's no news. Days before, when there's a high, days before the high impact news, I might take trades. Counter trades as well, right? You can see like this today was the perfect example. Today was a London reversal, New York continuation. So like same thing like this, like in the future. But I'm not even phased about this loss. It's just a pattern trade. But we're here to be the best loser. We gotta be the best loser to become a good winner, right? So it is what it is. An extra trade was supposed to be long, but we're not meant to be taking. We're not meant to be taking no trades Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Only Thursday we'll decide where do we think the market will go. Today was just a pattern trading day. I'm constantly repeating it because I kind of forgot what I'm saying. And yeah, trade recap, trade breakdown of how I pattern traded. Here to pay a price. We gotta pay a price to learn something, right? So our price is what? Our cost is what? A loss, negative 500, which is excellent, right? I don't really care about the loss, nor do I care about the win. It is what it is. We're here to learn. Thank you for watching, and I won't be trading tomorrow. I will be awake. I will be looking at charts, right? But I won't be taking no trades. That's really because I want to see. I want to do what my rule says, because the only high impact news is at 8:30 a.m. Which is a unemployment claim at Thursday, and any news at 8:30 a.m. is a high impact news, and any news as press conference is a high news, right? And yeah, thank you for watching. Very good trade, regardless, right? We learned something. As long as we learn something, this is what we care about, right? But yeah, thank you for watching. Not be phased about this loss. Keep on going, keep on learning, and keep on improving. And when we learn and improve, we cannot make the same mistake, and we actually gotta implement it. Thank you for watching.